Quick little video today to show you how, if you wanted to, you could get one of these cup holders. A number of people in the comments have said that they wanted one of these cup holders after I did a video on this earlier in the week. If you're interested in getting one of these, I'd be glad to give it to you for free. All you need to do is pay me for some shipping and I'll send it right out there. There's a couple different ways that you can make that happen. First off, you can click right down here and you can do a super thanks. In here, you can type whatever you like in here. You can say, this is my address, blah, 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 1, 2, 3, somewhere, someplaceville, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then you can also say that you want 2 cup holders. Please. One black. Well, I can make it any different color, but I only have black and white right now in my colors. But the point is, you can go in here and you can do a super thanks. If you send me $20, I will send you a cup holder, or I'll send you a grill, or any of the other 3D parts that I've printed. 3D parts are not very expensive to create. They just take a little bit of time to do it. So the only thing that price is for the shipping. So make sure you give me your accurate address. Do your super thanks. These messages are private. They don't go up in the regular messages, so you don't have to worry about your address being dragged out there. Another method that you can use is you can go to the MGB Experience. It's a great site. If you go in here, you sign in, you can search for me on here. I am Texas 77 MGB. So go ahead and shoot me off a message there and we can get something together. If you don't want to do a super thanks, or you don't want to do a membership, there's a couple of different ways you can do that. Another thing you can do is you can hit the join button here and you can join the swag level. This is a $25 membership. This is a monthly membership, once you get your cup, then you can unjoin the membership. It's okay. There's a lot of different methods that you can get me a little bit of money and give me your address, and I'll shoot those products off to you. Now, I'm not going to set up a shopping cart. I'm not going to set up a store. I don't want to sell these products. I want to give them to you. All I need is for you to reimburse me for the shipping. So I hope that answers your questions on how you can get one of these great products. I have a bunch of these available. I've been making products with a 3D printer for a while, and I have a number of them out there. I think I'll do a video next week with a breakdown of all the different things that I can make for you. That's all I got for today. Really quick one. So check in if you want one. Just throw a super thanks out, join the membership, or get a hold of me on MG Experience. Have a good day.